Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today's video is slightly different. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to bake a banana bread. Not just any banana bread, chocolate chip banana bread. Because chocolate chips make banana bread taste even better. As some of you might know, I stopped eating all dairy products a few months ago. So this banana bread recipe is completely dairy-free and is made with whole wheat flour. This recipe is so easy and simple, and the bread tastes so soft, moist, and delicious that you'll want to make it every time you buy bananas. So without further ado, let's see how it's made.
Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then mashing 3 ripe bananas. The riper the bananas, the better. So look for the most ripe bananas. Also, the mashing doesn't have to be perfect. Some chunks are fine. To this, add all the wet ingredients. 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 whole eggs, brown sugar, and a splash of vanilla extract. And mix this well. You can substitute brown sugar with regular sugar as well. Now add the flour. Add it in 2 batches for the ease of mixing. And instead of wheat flour, you can also use almond flour or even all-purpose flour. For banana bread, always remember to add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients. And remember, sugar, even though it's dry, is considered a wet ingredient. Now add baking powder, baking soda, ground cinnamon, and salt, and mix. Lastly, add about half a cup of chocolate chips to this. Gently fold this in. You can use less chocolate chips or completely skip chocolate chips if you want. But I love chocolate chips in my banana bread, so I'm going to go with half a cup. Make sure you don't overmix the batter because it'll make the bread tough. Now pour the batter into a baking pan lined with parchment paper. If you don't have parchment paper, you can grease the baking pan with some coconut oil or canola cooking spray and pour the batter in. You can use butter to grease your baking pan as well, but since I don't use dairy products, I used coconut oil. I'm going to go ahead and top this with some more chocolate chips. This is completely optional. Now bake this for 50 to 60 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I baked this for about 50 minutes. Check the center of the banana bread to see if it's completely done by inserting a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, it's done. Otherwise, bake it for some more time. Loosen the edges with a spatula and leave it in the baking pan to cool for at least 15 to 20 minutes. After that, transfer it onto a cooling rack to cool. Let it cool for at least an hour before slicing and serving. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, share and give it a big thumbs up, and do try this recipe. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. Until my next video, bye!